We have Decentraland, symbol MANA versus the dollar. And we have a phenomenally powerful breakout on volume above our prior range high. So I believe we did a video on this one at the end of last week. We're probably looking at a move towards like 160. Well, we certainly got that move, and now it's an actual official breakout. So let's see where we're at in the grand scheme of things. I am curious to see where we currently are. Okay, so we're right around the 2 spot 414. Actually, no, we reject from the 2 spot 272. Currently trading down. So I do expect that this one probably does pull back somewhere around about $2 overall. I do not think that this run is done, however. So short term, it is a little bit short term corrected. Probably does pull back. Anywhere around $2 is fair game, or low $2. I think max pullbacks is like 165, 166 if things really get crazy. But long term, I'd still be bullish on this. I just want to see it kind of work off these overdone conditions here on BBWP, let volatility cool off, and then I'd probably be looking for some sort of a move between about $5 and 550, and that's what I'd kind of be expecting the next sort of major consolidation. Long term, can it go higher than that? Yeah, but now we're talking like maybe months down the road, assuming that it even gets to these areas in the first place and holds them above $4 specifically. And I'd probably be looking towards, I suppose, double digits, 10.5 to maybe even as much as 15. I suspect that, at that point, Bitcoin's probably well above $100,000. So take that as you will. I'm not saying that that's happening anytime soon. Let's go down to the short-term timeframes now and see what we got going on. Yeah, short-term is a little bit more corrective. I would be looking for, at minimum, a short-term move towards 235. If things get a little more crazy, I'd be looking somewhere around about $2. I think it's going to take a little bit of time to resolve itself, because this one really did get this one got quite volatile, as you can imagine. Just curious if we have anything to look at over here, perhaps. Mana. Yeah, weekly Stokes are actually going to cross back up above 262 end of week. So that'll look really, really good for continuation into the rest of November, most likely. Daily, again, a little bit more corrective here, although it actually will pop back up above 260. What about 4 hour? Same thing, will actually pop back up above 350. So I am thinking a little more sideways here. What is your sort of sideways range? This one's going to be tricky because it's so fucking volatile, but 363 to the upside versus, I would still say about, probably around $2 to the downside, somewhere around about there, as this is going to start to come in over time. So, I think the fun part is over for like the moment right here. I don't think they're going to be making new ultimates like today, but assuming that this goes well over the next week or two, then yeah, I'd probably be looking for a continuation into end of year, and this would look really, really good. Long-term bullishness would be invalidated with basically a weekly below about 165, I'd say. Until then, let the trend be your friend, sir. Hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Mana.